Global Engineering Solutions by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Engineering Excellence, Reliability, Safety, Innovation. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In today's highly competitive industrial and infrastructure landscape, organizations demand integrated engineering solutions that ensure operational efficiency, reliability, safety, and sustainable performance. From industrial facilities and commercial buildings to oil and gas infrastructure and smart technology systems, the need for a trusted engineering partner has never been greater. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides comprehensive engineering, construction, maintenance, fabrication, and technical support solutions to customers worldwide. Our mission is simple: delivering engineering excellence through quality, innovation, safety, and customer satisfaction. With experienced engineers, project specialists, and technical experts, we provide end-to-end solutions that help businesses optimize performance, improve reliability, reduce downtime, and maximize return on investment. In this video, we will explore how URGS is supporting industries and infrastructure projects worldwide. MEP and General Maintenance Services. Mechanical, electrical, plumbing systems are the backbone of every industrial and commercial facility. At URGS, we provide integrated MEP solutions covering design, installation, commissioning, operation, and maintenance. Our expertise includes mechanical systems, HVAC systems, chilled water systems, ventilation systems, pumps and piping networks, electrical systems, power distribution, LT and ST installations, cable tray systems, earthing and lighting protection, lighting systems, plumbing systems, water supply systems, drainage systems, sewage treatment, firefighting networks. Maintenance services, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, facility management services. Our engineering team focus on maximum equipment and availability, reduced downtime, energy optimization, asset reliability, improved life cycle performance. Whether for hospitals, airports, hotels, shopping malls, or industrial plants, URGS delivers world-class maintenance solutions. The next is UPVC and aluminum doors and windows solution. Modern architecture demands energy efficient, aesthetically superior, and durable solutions. URGS International specializes in UPVC windows, sliding doors, aluminum systems, curtain walls, structural glazing, custom architectural designs. Our products offer thermal insulation, means reducing heat transfer and improving energy efficiency. Acoustic insulation means providing superior sound reduction. Corrosion resistance means suitable for harsh environmental conditions. Weather resistance means designed for long-term performance. Low maintenance means providing cost-effective solutions with longer service life. We support residential, commercial, hospitality, and industrial projects worldwide. Now next is building, contracting, and infrastructure projects. Successful construction projects require technical expertise, project management capabilities, and quality execution. URGS International delivers complete construction solutions including civil engineering, concrete structures, foundations, roads, drainage systems, building construction, commercial buildings, residential complexes, industrial facilities, warehouses, structural engineering, steel structures, fabrication works, industrial platforms, project management, planning and scheduling, cost control, risk management, procurement support, site supervision. Our focus remains on quality, safety, time delivery, cost optimization, customer satisfaction. The next is networking and IT technical support services. Digital infrastructure is becoming increasingly important for modern businesses. URGS International provides reliable and scalable IT solutions including network infrastructure, LAN and WAN solutions, fiber optic networks, structured cabling, data centers, server installation, rack management, storage systems, security solutions, CCTV systems, access control systems, firewall implementation, technical support, system troubleshooting, network monitoring, preventive maintenance, smart building solutions, Wi-Fi systems, IP telephony, communication networks. Our solutions ensure business continuity, cyber security, high availability, enhanced productivity. Offshore and onshore oil and gas facilities services. The oil and gas sector demands engineering excellence, safety and reliability. URGS International provides technical solutions for refineries, petrochemical plants, LNG facilities, pipelines, offshore platforms, process plants. Our services include mechanical maintenance, shutdown and turnaround support, inspection services, quality assurance and quality control, welding engineering, fabrication and erection, project support services, third-party inspection, asset integrity management. Our teams work in compliance with international standards and industry best practices. Our goal is to maximize operational reliability, plant availability, safety performance, equipment life, process efficiency. Elevators and escalators installation services. Efficient vertical transportation systems are essential for modern infrastructure. URGS International provides elevator installation, escalator installation, modernization services, commissioning, preventive maintenance, annual maintenance contracts. We focus on passenger safety, reliability, energy efficiency, reduced downtime, long-term performance. Our solutions support residential buildings, commercial complexes, airports, hospitals, hotels, shopping malls. Metals and steel structure works. Steel structures are critical components of industrial and infrastructure projects. URGS International provides structural steel fabrication, pipe racks, industrial sites, warehouses, platforms, storage structures, heavy fabrication, installation and erection. Our fabrication activities comply with international codes and standards. We provide precision engineering, high quality welding, dimensional accuracy, corrosion protection, structural reliability. Our engineering team ensures superior workmanship and timely project execution. Why industries worldwide choose URGS International? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is committed to providing world-class engineering solutions backed by technical excellence and customer-focused service. Our strength: experienced engineers and technical specialists, end-to-end engineering solutions, global project support, quality, health, safety and environmental focus, cost-effective solutions, timely project execution, international standards compliance, reliability and performance, customer-centric approach. We believe that engineering is not just about constructing facilities, it is about creating value, enhancing productivity and building long-term partnerships. At last conclusion, whether your organization requires MEP and general maintenance services, building contracting projects, UPVC and aluminum doors and windows, networking and IT technical support, offshore and onshore oil and gas facilities services, elevators and escalators installation, metal and steel structure works, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your trusted partner for engineering excellence worldwide. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile WhatsApp number is +917359458455. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, delivering engineering excellence worldwide, quality, safety, reliability, innovation. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you again.